Hello and welcome to my video, all about how to make a large decorative bow out of wired ribbon. The ribbon that I'm going to be using today is 63mm or 2.5 inches wide, and it has a festive tartan design. The first thing that you need to do is cut a length of 18 inches. Then use this piece as a guide to cut 6 more pieces exactly the same size. You need 7 pieces in total. You can use a couple more strips of ribbon if you wish, and probably should use a few more if you're using a more narrow ribbon. The more pieces of ribbon that you use, the more full the finished bow will look. However, you want some space for the loops to spread out. Once you have those 7 pieces, you need to dovetail at least one end of each strip. You do this by folding the end in half, and then cutting diagonally up to the wired edge. Make sure that you're cutting in such a way that the centre of the strip ends up shorter than the edges. If you prefer, you can instead dovetail the ends once the bow is complete. And once you do cut the ends of the ribbon, an optional step is just to wave those ends over a lighter, very quickly and carefully, just to melt the very edges and stop them from fraying. You then need to fold each of these strips so that one end is just past the centre. Do the same for all of the strips so that they're all folded over by the same amount. Then stack all of the folded strips on top of each other. Wrap a piece of floral wire or a cable tie around the centre. And twist the wire ends to secure. I personally like to use pliers to loop over the wire ends so that the sharp wire ends are no longer exposed, but this is an optional step. And then all that's left to do is space out all of the loops, like so, and shape them to make them more rounded and voluminous rather than flat. You'll probably want all of the tails at the base and all of the loops on top. And that's it, the bow is now complete. You can use it to decorate your Christmas garlands or tree, or even a special gift. I really hope you found this useful, and thank you very much for watching.